good morning, and once again I welcome you to the numerical methods using C class. And today we will be seeing about the unit 3. Okay, so unit 3 la enna namu paaka porom pathina the interpolation method. Okay, interpolation method. Interpolation method. Can you able to see that? I want you to my pen to darker.
Yes, sir. We can see. Sir.
Dark panava.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay, this is good, right? So interpolation method. Interpolation method na enna pathina. For example, the Chinese we might have studied graph on the kuduthiranga school. Okay, we might have used the function. We want to use x value, y value, assume -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 and particular some values f of x equal to x square. I mean, -3 substitute panni you get 9, 4, 1, 0. Similarly, 1, 4. I mean, we just plotted. In the plot panni function some parabola. We get some parabola. Okay, similarly, if the function is not given, assume that the function is not given. The function f of x is not given. Okay, only the tabular column is given. This particular tabular column is given in the question, and they asked to find the value of 0.5. What's the value of y? Y is equal to value when x is equal to 0.5. 0.5 approximately in between 0 and 1. Similarly, y, what's the value of y if x is -2.5? Okay, -2.5 in the particular tabular column. Okay. So imagine the function is not given. If the function is given, you can immediately substitute the value here. X is -2.5. Substitute panni, you get y. The function is not given. Okay, so you have to find the value of this only using this particular tabular column data alone. Okay, so that's the method. Finding the value of the y with respect to only the particular data given is called interpolation. That's the method is called interpolation without the function given. Okay, all function. For example, in the stock market or whatever it is, we don't have definite function for it. The particular data this in this month, the share is going to be this for particular company. In the month, in the share in the particular month. So at the month, what we predict in the form interpolation logic. Okay, it's going to be the same one. In the logic predict use stock markets, whatever it is. So similarly, we are going to see the problem. There are two methods. There are many methods, 4 methods, but first one Newton forward interpolation method. Newton forward interpolation method. Forward interpolation method. Interpolation method. The first thing what today we are going to see about Newton's forward interpolation method. Okay, as usual, we will see with the problem. சரியா, என்ன எதன் ப்ராப்ளம்லே வந்து நான் சொல்றேன். பட் இன்டர்போலேஷனா என்ன அப்படின்றது இது பண்ணா எப்படி ப்ராசஸ் எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, as you find the interpolation process இதான் interpolation process. சரி, இது எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the process involves finding the function. இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. டெஃபினட்டா கொடுத்துருக்க வேல்யூ வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷனை கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்தா we can find the value of this tabular column. But once the tabular column is given, we cannot find the function accurately. Accurate கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது, but approximate we can able to find some function g of x which is similar to f of x. Similar na approximately it will be equal to g of x. Approximately equal to f of x, the original function g of x. In the g of x பேரு இந்த டேட்டால இருந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிற அந்த g of x என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா interpolating polynomial. Interpolating polynomial. Okay, the data is given, find its interpolating polynomial. Adula vandu you substitute the value, whatever you find it, you will get the value approximated to this. Okay, so it's an approximation method only as we studied. So exact kandupidikkana கண்டுபிடிக்க கஷ்டம். ஓகே, we can't find the accurate answer, so there will be an error இருக்கும். கண்டிப்பா அந்த neutral forward motionல there will be an error. Okay, so let's go into the problem. So problem பாருங்க, this is the first problem. I've already typed the problem. D and I is given. Okay, the problem I'll just read it so that you can be able to see. Okay, V is nothing but the speed in knots developed by a ship. Okay, I only some HP. Okay, behind the indicated HP and V the speed in knots. Okay, now I is nothing but the indicated HP horsepower and V is nothing but speed of the ship. Okay, so 8 speed in knots, nautical miles use பண்ணாங்க. So இவன் knots யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, knots developed by a ship. So இதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1000 horsepower இருக்கும்போது ஸ்பீட் வந்து 8, 1900 10, 3050 12, 5400 14, 8915 16. Okay, the ship வந்து it just generates that particular power or whatever it is. Okay, and the technical term நாம போறோம். But what they are asking is find the value of I. Find the value of I when V is equal to 9. Okay, V 9 இருக்கும்போது what is the value of I? V 8 இருக்கும்போது 1000, V 10 இருக்கும்போது 1900. So 9 இருக்கும்போது என்ன அப்படிங்கறத क्वेश्चन. நீ ஆவரேஜ்லாம் போடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, you should not do the average. Okay, so this is what inbuilt இது நடுவுல இருக்குறதா வந்து we need to find the value. So before going into the solution of it, now I want you to look at the V values 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there's a uniformity. What is the uniformity? What's the uniformity there? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. அப்படின்னா V வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. என்ன யூனிஃபார்மிட்டி இருக்கு?
ஸ்பேஸ் 2 சார் எல்லாத்துக்குமே.
எஸ், இன்டர்வல் 2 எல்லாத்துக்குமே இன்டர்வல் வந்து காமன் இன்டர்வல், ஈக்குவல் இன்டர்வல்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து நியூட்டன் இன்டர்போலேஷன் வந்து எங்க யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி காமனா இருக்கிற இன்டர்வல்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் யூ கேன் யூஸ் இட். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்டிஷன் ஆர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் இன் நியூட்டன் ஃபார்வர்ட் இன்டர்போலேஷன். ஈக்குவல் இன்டர்வல்ல மட்டும் தான் யூ கேன் யூஸ் இட். எல்லா இன்டர்வல்லையும் யூ கேனாட் யூஸ் இட். ஓகே, ஸோ அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. 8, 10, 12, 14. ஸோ கொஸ்டின் நீங்க என்கவுண்டர் பண்ணோடனே யூ ஷுட் சி த வேல்யூஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் 8, 10, 12, 14. ஈவனா அன்ஈவனான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, அதுக்கு இன்டர்வல்ஸ் வந்து ஈவனா இருக்கா, அன்ஈவனா இருக்கா, ஈக்குவலா இருக்கா, நாட் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி யூ ஹேவ் டு சூஸ் த மெத்தட். சரியா? சம்டைம்ஸ் வந்து யூ ஓன்ட் கிவ் த மெத்தட், யூசிங் நியூட்டன் ஃபார்முலேஷன்லாம் கொடுக்க மாட்டோம். ஃபைண்ட் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் 9 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துட்டு போயிடும். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின்ல நீ என்ன மெத்தட் நீ தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கும். You have to find it on your own. So for that, this will be useful. அதே மாதிரி 9 என்றது at the front of the table. Okay, 9 என்றது 8, 10, it's in the front of the table. The front of the table, the starting the table, starting it comes. Okay, அதனால Newton forward. இதே back of the table, some 15 கேட்டிருந்தான்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, around 15 or something, it is called Newton backward interpolation யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So Newton forward ஏன் யூஸ் பண்றது இதுதான் லாஜிக். Because it's in the 9 is in front of the table. It comes in front of the table. 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Now 9 on the starting level. So you have to use the Newton forward interpolation. So in case the question is find the value of y when b is equal to 15, 13, and then it is the back of the table. So you have to use Newton's backward interpolation. Next class I will teach you similar logic. Okay. So before going to the problem, I want to say this. So when can this method applied என்றது முக்கியம். Because நிறைய மெத்தட் இருக்கு, 4 மெத்தட் இருக்கு, எதை அப்ளை பண்ணணும்ன்றத மறந்துடுவாங்க. Okay, so let's get into the solution. So we have to write this. Okay, 8, it's better if I type it. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, next I is nothing but 1000, 1900, 3250, next 5400, next 8950. Okay, first thing is given in the question, so you need not worry about it. Next is del I. Del I என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you have to come to the last one. Last one தான் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா first one definitely make a mistake. Last one you just do it. Now you have to find the difference between 8950 and 5400. That is 8950 minus 5400 மாத்தி பண்ணிடாது. Okay, you have to go from here to here. 8000 950 minus this. Minus this. 8050 minus this. So now 8050 minus now 0 minus 0 0 5 0 89 minus 54 9 minus 5 3 3550. Correct? So this is 3550. Okay. Next you have to do 5400 and 3250. What do you get? Next you have to minus this 0. At the 0 minus 5 is or 10 around, so 5 3 around 1 to 2150. Next again similarly you have to from 3250 to 1900. 3250 2000 also 1250, so 1350. Okay, so from this to this, again from this to this 900. Okay, இது வந்து actually middle level இடத்துல நடுவுல வரணும். Since the table cannot do that, அதனால இது பண்ண முடியல. Okay, கரெக்ட்டா எக்ஸாக்ட்டா நடுவுல இருந்தா it will be better. இந்த இடத்துல எப்படி 900 1350 and notebookல you can able to write it, but unfortunately computer இப்படி எழுதலாம். கரெக்ட்டா ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் சென்டர்ல you can write this. Okay, so center கரெக்ட்டா எழுதலாம். So similarly அடுத்து 3550 again delta either. Next again you have to do this. A procedure you have to follow. 3550 minus 2550 is 0 0 4 1. Again 0 0 21 minus 13 is 8. So 800 again. We have to here 1350 450. Yeah. Okay. Again you have to do this. 1400 8, so 600. Next 800 minus 450 is 350. Yeah, not 250. 350. Okay, 350. Next 600 minus 350 is 250. Yes, I'm right. Okay, so we have to do this, and எல்லாமே வந்து நோட்ல எழுதுறதுனால கரெக்ட்டா மிடில் எழுதுங்க. Okay, so it will be easy calculator. Next, after doing this, you have to circle the top ones. Top ones மட்டும் circle பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. 900 450 350 50. Just circle the top ones. Okay, now that's called I naught delta I naught, and the first layer of the period, this is called I naught. 1000 is called I naught. This is called I naught. This is called delta I naught. This is called del square I naught. This is called del cube I naught. Only like del cube is first I naught. This is called delta power 4 I naught. This value, this particular value is 130. Okay. Now, since the power on the it is up to delta power 4. So, since it's delta power 4, then the polynomial. What's the name of the polynomial? I said approximating polynomial or interpolating polynomial. Okay, the approximating polynomial or interpolating polynomial. The degree on there, the degree of it on there, degree is 4. And del power 4 on the mala, you should use the interpolating polynomial degree is 4. If it is up to 3, you have to use 3. 5 now, 5. Okay, so
sir.
Yes.
Sir, del 4 I naught வந்து 250 தானா sir?
Del 50?
Del 4 I naught அது 250
Yeah. 250, yes, it's 250. 250 தான் எழுதுனேன் உங்க மறந்துருச்சு. Okay. Yes, it's 250. Thank you. It's 250. Yeah, you're right. 250. So the interpolating polynomial degree is 4. That we inferred. Next, we are going to find the particular interpolating polynomial using the formula. We are given the formula. The formula is I is equal to I naught plus P into del I naught. Actually, formula it will be better for you. We have P into P minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square I naught plus P into P minus 1 into P minus 2 divided by 3 factorial del cube I naught plus, you have to stop at fourth one, P into P minus 1 into P minus 2 divided by 4 factorial del power 4 I naught. This is the formula. இது அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஃபார்முலா எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். P into P minus 1, P minus 2 and dot 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 P minus 2 dot 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 P minus sorry, this is up to P minus 3, okay, P minus 3, and P minus 3, P minus 3. So, here P minus n minus 1, where n is nothing but the degree of the interpolating polynomial divided by n factorial into del power n I naught. This is the formula, actual formula. So, in n of the 4, now you have to stop it at 4. Okay. So, now all it remains to do is substitute the value of things. So before going to substitution, the P and the Qs are delta I naught, you know what is delta I naught, I naught and then but what is the value of P? P is nothing but H is a common interval. So common interval, you have to use the H. V minus V naught divided by H. This is the value of P. Okay. Number problem with V and it's 9, okay, minus V naught is the first value, 8 divided by H is the common difference, 2. H is the common difference, 2. V naught is the value we are about to find. V naught is the first value. Okay, 9 minus 8 divided by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 or 0.5. So P is 0.5. Del I naught is, I naught the value is 1000. Del I naught is, value of del I naught, first one, del I naught is 900. Del square I naught is, I think it's 450. Del cube I naught is 350. Del power 4 I naught is 250. Yes?
So what is H?
What is?
H, the H. V minus
is
V
the
naught divided by H.
H is the common difference. H is the common difference. 2. The common difference in interval, common regular integral. 8, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. This particular interval is called, common interval is called H. Okay?
Okay.
So that's H. So we have to do that. So B is the value you have to find. B naught is the first value divided by the common interval value. Okay, H. So this is what we have to substitute in the formulas. So I is equal to I, that is I is equal to I naught. What is I naught? 1000 plus 0.5 into delta I naught 900 plus P into P minus 1, that is 1 by 2. I am using 1 by 2. I think it's better. 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Half minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Del square I naught is 450 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 minus, I think it's 5 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6. Del cube I naught is 350 plus P into P minus 1, P minus 2, P minus 3. So half into minus half into minus 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into 4 factorial is 24 into 250. So they will be coming together. 1000 plus 450 plus minus minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 by 450. 450 by 8 from minus plus side also plus மேலே 3 okay 2 cube 8 8 6 are 48 3 by 48 I think it gets cancelled into 350 plus minus so minus over minus 15 by 8 15 by 16 15 by 16 into 24 into no permanent. So this is what we need to do. So 3 comes up. So 16 350 cancel amount paranga. I think it won't. 2 8s are 275. 4s are 225. 2 8s are. Yes, can you calculate this? What's the value of 225 by 4? 56.2 la?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 56.2. Similarly, 175 by 8.
21.8.
21.8. Okay. Last one. 15 into 125 divided by 24 into 8. 9.76. So I added all the three. The amount add quanta. Okay, all do is subtract this and this. So minus 9.76. So this add banana 64.96. 65.96. So 1471.8 minus 65.96. 1471.
Sir, 1405.84, sir.
Correct. In the thing 1405.84. So it should be 0. Okay, book, yes, it's correct. 1405.84. 8594. Okay, fine. It's going to be easy. Okay. It's right. That's it. So the I value is 1405.84 when V is equal to 9. Good. That's it. This is Newton's forward method. Okay. That's it. Next we will do the Newton's backward. Maybe next class. Same problem. I will try to do it. Okay. Another problem. So, T. Again, the interval it's even. Okay, even by 8. So h value is 3. Immediately, I don't know what thought was. H value is 3. You need to understand. So next one the order. So order either you can use Newton's forward or Newton's backward. So either use one or so depending upon the question, we can find whether it's Newton forward or Newton backward. Okay. So question is the T it's small t, it's not capital T, small t, it's measured in minutes. Similarly, A is grams, weight is grams. It's measured in grams. Okay. Now the amount A, okay, our substance, if there's a substance, the amount A of substance remaining in a reacting system after an interval of time T. The chemical experiment or substance they are just doing it for some experiment. At 2 minutes, its weight is 94.8. At 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, 87.9. After 8 minutes, 81.3. After 11 minutes, 75.1. This is the concept. Okay, this is the concept they are given. Some substance is there. They are doing some experiment on the subject. So after when doing the experiment, after 2 minutes, 94. After 5 minutes, 87.9. After 8 minutes, 81.3. And after 11 minutes, 75.1. Okay, obtain the value of A when T is equal to 9. So T is equal to 9. What's the value of E? This is the question. Okay, here value That's it. Okay. So same logic, we have to find the 9 in the table where it should be. 9 is at here. Okay, in that level. So it's a back of the table. Okay. Front layer it's Newton forward. In that layer some 3, 4, 5 in the Newton forward. Back layer Newton backward. நடுவுல இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கேட்காதீங்க. நடுவுல இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருந்தா அது வேற ஏதாவது டேக்கிள் பண்ணும். ஓகே. ஸோ ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இருந்தா நியூட்டன் ஃபார்வர்ட், பேக்ல இருந்தா நியூட்டன் பேக்வர்ட். அது மட்டும் அவசியம். நடுவுல இருந்தா என்ன ஆகுன்றத ஐ வில் டெல் யூ லேட்டர் in solving the next particular problems. Okay. So now we will move on to the problem. Likewise, you have to find the del I naught, del square I naught now. So for that, I am going to insert the values. So 5 by 5 insert 5 by 5. So container you get t. Okay, t not 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay. Next column is A. I don't know why the P is coming in small parts. Next A 94.8. Order okay. 87.9. Don't change order. 87.9. 81.3. Next 75.1. Okay. Now we need to find the delta I. Delta I. Similarly, delta square I. Okay. Delta cube I. Delta cube it will vanish. Okay. The 4 தான் இருக்கு. So இது வந்து நீங்க 3 you get 3 you get 2 here you get 1 here. Okay. So I just anticipated and I just put 3 here. So sometimes அது மேலே வரலாம். அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி you just write the table. Okay. So 9 இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா earlier since it's Newton's backward forward we just came from the bottom. இது Newton's backward நால மேல இருந்து வரணும். Okay. இங்க இருந்து வாங்க. Okay, இங்க ஏதோ லைன்ல நீங்க பின்னாடி தேவாங்க. Okay, we just follow a single method so that you don't get confused. So similarly 75.1 minus 81.3 is enough. 75 minus 81.3.
6.2.
Minus 6.2.
Minus 6.2.
Minus 6.2 is important. Minus 6.2. Okay. Similarly, 81.3 minus 87.9. Approximately, I think it's 6.6 and 6.6.
Yes, sir. Minus 6.6.
I think next year, 87.9 minus 94.8. 0.1.
7.1.
0.9. 6.9. I think it's 6.9. 6.9 minus 6.9. 8 you have to subtract 9, so in the 18 by 9 9, so 93 93 minus 87 is 6, so you have to put minus sign in front of it. Okay, again minus 6.2 minus of minus 6.6, which is nothing but plus. So minus 6.2 plus 6.6 on the end of 0.4, right? It becomes 0.4. Similarly, minus 6.6 minus of minus 6.9 on the plus side of the so minus 6.6 plus 6.9 becomes 0.3. Again 0.4 minus 0.3 is 0.5. And here table the same logic. You have to do the same things. From the back you have to subtract it. Okay. Now in the மேல இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே del I naught, del square I naught, del cube I naught. Right. Similarly, அதே மாதிரி கீழ இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு பேர் இருக்கு. என்ன பேருன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது del power n, sorry, இது வந்து del power in, del square in, this is del cube in. Okay, in del in. This is del in. என்னன்றது வந்து இங்க வந்து the polynomial degree. இது வந்து 3. இங்க வந்து it's 3 because the degree of the polynomial is 3. இங்க 3 ஓட என்னதுனால அந்த approximating polynomial, that is interpolating polynomial degree வந்து it's going to be 3. So n is going to be 3 here. Therefore del del I3 I0 இருக்குல்ல I3 யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். del I3 is nothing but minus 6.2. Similarly del square I3 is 0.4. del cube I3 is 0.1. புரியுதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, இது வந்து del IN யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. del IN அப்படின்னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருக்கிறது I0, ஃபினிஷிங்ல இருக்கிறது IN, கீழே இருக்கிறது IN. Okay, these things are important. Newton's forwardல we use I0, Newton backwardல we use IN, கீழே இருக்கிறத we use. Okay, அதை ஹைலைட் பண்ணிக்கிறத okay, so அதே ஃபார்முலா சேம் ஃபார்முலா கிட்டத்தட்ட except a simple சின்ன சேஞ்ச் மட்டும் இருக்கும் ஃபார்முலால. I will tell you the change. Okay, Tn is equal to, that is T3. Tn is equal to 11, கீழே இருக்கிறது 11. அதே மாதிரி இங்க வந்து an, this is an is equal to 75.1 and del I n is equal to minus 6.2. del square in is 0.4. del cube in is 0.2. Okay, it's the formula is a is equal to I is equal to I0 and an plus p into, they have not used the delta, instead they have used the this is not del. Okay, this is some other symbol. Okay, triangle you have to repeat it, invert panna. Okay, plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial divided by an gradient plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into q. That's it. அதே formula, same formula except a0 and an. This is the only difference. அதே மாதிரி இந்த இடத்துல del square பதிலா இது யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Okay, so this is not del, this is இந்த symbol யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. இது யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Backwardல you have to use this one, not this one. Regular del யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க, you have to use the gradient one. Gradient okay by n. Okay, on the symbol I just use it. சும்மா notation மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச், மத்தபடி எல்லா the meaning is going to be the same one. So a is equal to, what's the value of an? An is nothing but 75.1 plus p into, what is p? And we actually find it. What's p? P is anga வந்து என்ன ஆச்சுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா p is equal to the initial value. So the value we have to find I minus I0, right? I minus I0 divided by h, the common difference. This is what in Newton's forward. இங்க backwardல என்னன்னா ஒரு slight change. இந்த p எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா t minus tn, that is t minus tn divided by h. அதாவது இங்க வந்து the value we are going to find that minus the first value. Okay, இங்க வந்து the value we are going to find it minus the last value divided by h. அதேதான் இங்க first value, இங்க last value. Okay, h is going to be the same common difference, t minus tn divided by h. Okay, so what's the value of p? P is equal to t oda value. What's the value of t? What's the value we need to find? 9. So 9 minus what's the last value? Tn 11. 9 minus 11 divided by 3, which is 3 here. Okay, so the value is minus 2 by 3. So p oda value is minus 2 by 3. Okay, now just substituting this 75.1 plus minus 2 by 3 into gradient an. Okay, gradient an value is minus 6.2 plus minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Okay, again another difference in the formula. And p minus 1 and p plus 1. Okay, I know the difference. Between the Newton forward and Newton backward. Okay, p minus 1 and p plus 1 formula எல்லாமே minus and plus. Okay, So minus 2 by 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 1 minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 1 by 3 divided by 2. Next, del square an, which is nothing but 0.4 plus b minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Next, 2 minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 2 minus 2 by 3, 6 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 4 by 3 divided by 6 into del cube of an. What is del cube of an? 0.1. Final value. Okay, we need to find the value for this. Condition add panina will get the value. So 75.1 minus into minus plus 2 into 3 multiplied with 6.2. What's the value of 12.4? 12.4 divided by 3. 12.4 divided by 3. 4.1333. 4.1333. Okay, next minus, because minus is here. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 0.4 divided by 2. So how to do this? 2 by 9. So 2 by 18. So minus 2 by 18. So 2 by 18 is cancelled out, which is nothing but 1 by 9. So the 2 cancel out. So 0.4 by 9. 0.4 by 9 in our 0.4 by 9. 0.4 divided by 9. 0.024. 0.024. So 0.024. Plus, again you have to do this, and since minus is there, you have to use minus. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 by 27, 8 by 27 into 6 into 0.1. So 6 cancel panina, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So 27 3s are 54, 54. 27 2s are 71, 4 by 71 into 0.1. 4 by 71. 4 by 71. So equal to into 0.1. 0.0056. 0.0056. So finally, 75.1 plus 4.133 minus 0.024 minus 0.0056.
Sir, 79.182.
79.182.
Two.
Yes, it's right. Book on 79.183 கொடுத்திருக்கான். It's okay. 79.182 it's okay. Fine. Yes, it's right. 79.182 is okay. So that's it. Thank you.